From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We do have a News 19 weather impact alert day for tomorrow during the morning hours. Cold front's going to approach the area. It's going to be a strong cold front. As it does, we do expect some showers. Thunderstorms are going to be possible. Some of those thunderstorms could produce some strong winds. That's something we'll have to kind of watch. Some of the heavier downpours could produce some ponding on those roadways. So you'll need the rain gear at least for parts of your Thanksgiving morning. And if you are going to be traveling, just slow down. If you're traveling this afternoon, no issues. But this evening, some minor delays will be possible in that yellow area there. And those delays may spread a little bit farther towards the south, in particular tomorrow morning, as that cold front moves on through. By the time we get to the afternoon hours of your Thanksgiving, the threat for any kind of delays will kind of push off the coast. And then Thursday evening, tomorrow night, no delays are expected. Here's how our forecast model sees things over the next few days. For today, we do expect mostly cloudy skies. That strong cold front approaches tomorrow. As it does, we're going to have that opportunity for showers and thunderstorms beginning probably around, we'll say 6 o'clock or so. Here's 7 o'clock. Those showers, a couple of rumbles of thunder continue to move across the Midlands and the Palmetto State. 8 o'clock, and then as we go into 9 o'clock, you notice those storms, we'll say right along I-20 at this point, then south of I-20 by 10 o'clock. By the time we get to 11 or 12 o'clock or so, most of the activity should be along or east of I-95. And then as that cold front continues to kind of move on through, there'll be a threat for some more storms along the coastal region of South Carolina, and things will start to clear up and things will start to cool off as well. As far as severe weather is concerned, officially, Storm Prediction Center does have all of South Carolina, or at least the majority of South Carolina, under a very small risk for severe weather. It appears the greatest threat would be damaging wind gusts if we were to get a strong or severe thunderstorm. So that's something we'll continue to monitor for Thanksgiving morning. If the front is a little earlier, the threat for severe weather will be very small. If the front's a little later, then the threat for severe weather will increase. So right now, our forecast model brings the showers and thunderstorms in earlier in the day, so that should decrease the threat for severe weather. But once again, that's something we'll continue to kind of watch. Yesterday, we did manage to make it to 70 degrees. We had a little bit of rain for at least parts of the Midlands, but officially, Columbia Metropolitan Airport was dry yesterday. Our records for today will be safe, 84, 20, and back in 1987, record rainfall occurred. In 1950, a trace of snow. Here's your Thanksgiving forecast. If you're traveling early, showers and storms will be possible. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, it'll be mostly cloudy and temperatures will probably top off in the lower 70s, it looks like, for your afternoon. It will be a bit breezy at times on Thursday. These winds generally coming out of the west, eventually turning more out of the northwest, helping bring down that cooler air. You'll notice the difference on Friday. Rainfall amounts. I will say the latest run of our forecast model shows some heavier rain. Now, if you were to get one of those stronger thunderstorms, then you may get a little bit heavier rainfall. But for the most part, a quarter to maybe a tenth of an inch, I think, for most areas would be a good estimate. European forecast model shows those rain chances on Thursday. That front moves on through and then high pressure builds in, cold high pressure as well. It'll be dry over the weekend, but it will be noticeably cooler. The American model showing basically that same idea. As far as those low temperatures are concerned, that's something else we'll be watching as we go into Monday, Tuesday. Low temperatures, mid to maybe upper 20s. We could be even cooler for some of the traditionally colder spots. High temperatures today in the mid to upper 60s. Mostly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy tonight with lows in the mid to low 50s. If you are heading to the South Carolina Clemson game, Memorial Stadium, Death Valley, noon kickoff, 46 degrees. A little bit of a breeze out of the southwest at about 5 miles per hour, but it will be sunny, so that's good news there. Here's our 7-day forecast. As we talked about earlier, showers and storms possible, especially early in the day on Thanksgiving. We'll go partly cloudy Friday, and then as we look ahead towards weekend, a good bit of sunshine, but those temperatures will be a lot cooler. Highs in the low to mid 50s Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, probably even colder, with temperatures topping off in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Myrtle Beach forecast going to keep the clouds around on Friday. There'll be some sunshine over the weekend, but it will be a lot cooler. Charleston, basically that same thing, but look on Tuesday, high temperature is only around 51 degrees. And obviously a little bit cooler in the upstate of South Carolina. Morning lows Monday, Tuesday, possibly in the mid to low 20s, even over the weekend, mid to upper 20s. So colder than normal conditions will stick around over the next 8 to 14 days. That would be December 4th through December 10th. And it does look like we'll be drier than normal during that same time frame. Tracking the tropics, hurricane season officially ends on Saturday. Very, very busy hurricane season. There are all the tracks, and we did have 5 storms make landfall in the continental United States. Beryl, Francine, Helene, Debbie, and Milton all made landfall. So it was very busy. 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes. As we mentioned, hurricane season does continue until November 30th. It's not like you can't have activity outside of that time frame, but typically the activity drops off, and that's expected to be the case. National Hurricane Center is not expecting any more tropical activity over the next 7 days, so that is certainly good news there. Holiday countdown. Well, obviously tomorrow is Thanksgiving. We're going to be tracking the chances for showers and thunderstorms, especially early in the day, and Black Friday. Friday, 2 days away. Christmas Eve, 27 days away. Christmas Day is 4 weeks from today. But for today, we do expect those highs mid to upper 60s. We'll be watching tomorrow because we are under that News 19 weather impact alert day for the opportunity for showers and storms, in particular early tomorrow morning. Weather does improve on Friday, although it will be turning a lot cooler. Have a great Wednesday.